You have 3 options for organizing your Chinese New Year food. Prepare everything yourself, get what you can from Asian supermarkets, or opt to let a Chinese restaurant prepare everything. If you decide to let a restaurant take care of food, put your order in days in advance. Restaurants in places with large Chinese populations will be inundated with orders. Don't just randomly choose food. Even down to the smallest snacks, most of the food served on Chinese New Year is symbolic and has centuries of tradition behind it. 1. Begin with a clear soup. The classic, familiar wonton soup is an easy choice. 2. Stuffed dumplings, jiaotzi, are a must. If you're not up to the task of folding them from scratch, get a big box from a restaurant or buy them frozen from Trader Joe's. 3. Noodles should be served and eaten, uncut if possible. The length represents long life. 4. A fish dish should be present and shouldn't be finished completely. For tradition, choose a whole fish with head and tail still on, steamed is ideal. The fish represents abundance and prosperity. If you think everyone will be squeamish about the head, remove it before the big day. No cutting during Lunar New Year, remember? 5. Spring rolls represent wealth. Again, these can be purchased frozen or from local restaurants. 6. The word for lettuce in Cantonese sounds like rising fortune, so lettuce wraps are a good, healthy choice. 7. Mandarin oranges are popular for many reasons. Pears are considered unlucky. If dinner for your Chinese New Year party will be of the sit-down type, knowing some basics about Chinese table manners will make for interesting, educational conversation.